Toyota Vios 2014 to 2018 version, installed for Cogoo CG-AD500, 6.95 inch Android GPS HD DVD player. Okay, with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. And OEM casing for Toyota Vios, good fitting casing. Show for the reverse camera. Setting. Wi-Fi. Turn on player Wi-Fi. Connect hotspot for internet. Android version 8.0. Okay, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. 2 gig RAM, sorry, 2 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. Software version, this is factory setting. You go in, password 8888. Okay. Do the CAN bus setting. Selected car model. Full menu. Bluetooth music, or pairing with your phone for Bluetooth calling. Video input and video output. Car setting. Steering wheel control. Log in Gmail, download app from Play Store. So this is Cogoo 6.95 inch Android GPS HD DVD player. Plug and play socket, OEM for Toyota. OEM casing, good fitting. And installed by Vios. Thank you.